In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up date-based reminders in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this step by step. So by the end, you'll have an automated reminder that goes out based on the dates in your project sheet without you having to babysit anything. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet in your browser. Make sure you're in the right sheet where your project tasks and dates live and that you're viewing it in grid view so you can clearly see your columns like start date and end date. Next, we're going to use a template to help structure the automation. Look for the option to create from a template. This is usually available from the home area or in the automation section, depending on your layout. Click on Create from Template, and when the template options appear, choose the one that matches the reminder workflow being highlighted in your interface. Go ahead and click on that highlighted template, then select Use Template to add it to your sheet. This gives you a good starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Once the template is in place, you'll see options related to date fields. Click on the Start Date field. This tells Smartsheet which date column it should pay attention to when it's deciding when to send a reminder. Confirm your selection by clicking Start Date again if the interface asks you to pick the column from a list. Now we'll point the automation to the end date instead. Look for a drop-down or setting labeled Select a Field. Click that, and you'll see a list of your sheet's columns. From that list, choose End Date. This is useful if you want the reminder tied to when something is due, rather than when it begins. Using the correct field here is crucial because it controls exactly when your reminder will fire. Next, choose who should receive the reminder. Click on the area that says something like Add a name or email. Start typing the person's name or email address, and then select the appropriate contact from the suggestions. You can add yourself, a teammate, or multiple people, depending on your needs. Now, review any conditions in the rule. Click on the section that shows conditions. Here, you can confirm that reminders only go out when certain criteria are met, like a specific status or another column value. This helps you avoid sending unnecessary emails. Finally, when everything looks good, click Save. Your date-based reminder is now active and will trigger automatically based on the start date or end date you configured.